There is an impact, though companies have been saying that there is minimal impact. But if you just do the maths, and not only IT, there is healthcare, there are doctors, there are nurses, there are other financial services companies also. Last year, US issued 141,000 new H-1B visas. Now, if from next year, if the run rate is the same, you're talking of about $14 billion of extra costs, which frankly, the profit pools might not be there in those companies or in those sectors. Second, you have to see, like I was mentioning, healthcare. There are 16,000 Indian origin doctors working in rural areas in the US where nobody wants to practice. They are the only doctors there. So wide regions in US are being benefited from this H-1B, which could, lead to this kind of $100,000 levy from next year, could impact those as well. Coming to IT specifically, if you look at the numbers, the big companies have anything from 5,000 to 10,000 kind of workers on this H-1B. So that's the estimate that over a 3-year cycle, this is the kind of cost that could come to these companies. And obviously, they will try to outsource, try to offshore those works. But they would have tried earlier, and these would be client requirements or US government requirements to have an onshore presence. So getting a US local to do that job might not be practically very possible, because 96% is the employment rate amongst the US software qualified people. So those people just might not be there. Beneficiaries of this move will be offshore centers near to the US, like a Vancouver, like a Toronto. I think jobs will move there. That might be more acceptable to US clients to have somebody in Canada working and who keeps on coming, visiting US and going back. I think those kind of solutions will come out. Today, the impact has been limited because of what the US government came out with clarification that this will apply to new petitions which get filed from February 2026 onwards. What we are not very clear is that last year 141,000 new H-1Bs were issued, but nearly 260,000 H-1Bs were renewed as well.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.